wanted to give a shout out. Shout out to someone very important. She's been on this YouTube account. Channel. She's just she's someone that I really know. I think it's Sugar Sprinkles. I have no clue. I think it's Sugar Sprinkles. And we are friends with her. Did you just see that? No, I'm joking. Okay. Computer here. Let's back up. Ow! What's doing? Think it. Ow! Sugar Sprinkles. Go check out her channel. Go check it out. She's very nice. I've been on her channel. She's one of my channel. Don't know if any of you want to be. Here we go. All of us are going to spin. Let's see who stays on the longest. That's the shout out to Sugar Sprinkles. Let's see you, Sugar Sprinkles. Yeah. These 4 lucky survivors. She's on for you the most. We love you, girl. You rock. I still want to say you. And you're disgusting. No. Okay, with these 3 lucky survivors. Let's try it again. I'm used to the who loves him most. Well, the last one that was standing was this panda. I love you the most. You're the best person in the world. I love anyone who subscribes. I also love Happy Lover TV, I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Just some shout out. Pretty random. Stare at me. I'm adorable. Let's stare at my dress. Here's what I have to say. Bye.